Open YouTube. You see, yes, it's Rajesh, karki. Click on rajeshkarki. You see, this channel does not have any content. How we can solve it? Just go Google and then just type YouTube. After that, click on logo. Just type youtube.com. Just see, here we have photo, channel photo. Let's zoom. Click here photo and then click on your channel, then customize channel. See, we have add a section, then click on add section. Then see, we have upload option, then click on upload. Then click on publish. Let's see, we got it or not. Come back, YouTube, rajeshkarki. Just see, now we get back all video on our home page. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.